Okay, testing one, two, three. Ooh, I do see a little microphone with the little bar. It says I do have audio this time. So this is Geauga Lake Park 2, Part 2. It is cold, it is white, it is gray, it is Cleveland, Ohio, this is northern Ohio, and this is what we get in the wintertime. But anyhow, I caught wind of this the other day, so I thought I'd come out here. This is Geauga Lake. We're looking at the old parking lot, actually. And I'm going to swing around, and you guys are going to be, well, some of you guys will be surprised to see no trees because they have removed the trees. If you all know, a company based in Solon purchased this property, all 600 and some odd acres from Cedar Fair, and they're going to put in a really nice mixed use development. So, that being said, this is private property right now. This is an active construction site. So, please, folks, no trespassing. We've trespassed for 14 years. We've had enough. So, please be respectful of the property owners now as they create something new. And, you know, I have a positive outlook towards this. I was just speaking with a. Hey, Andy, you can hear me this time now, huh? I was just speaking with a nice gentleman out here, and it's going to be a nice mixed-use development. You know, it's going to have condos, going to have some single-family homes, going to have some businesses, office, restaurant, retail, probably a big box or two. So it is what it is, folks. And as a matter of fact, right there, this little patch of grass there. Hey, John from Streetsboro. That little patch of grass, that's where the old Big Dipper train station used to be, of course. And that was the drop ride. Boy, they're going to have a lot of work. Andy from Burton. Oh, that's right, Andy. We met you out there when we were out there. They got a lot of work ahead of them. All this concrete, I mean, oh my gosh. It's going to take a lot of work. Mesa, Arizona, Linda. Glad to have you. As always, you know, share this out with your family and friends, people who may enjoy what we do here at Drone, Ohio. I haven't been flying much. It is winter time, so, but I definitely had to come out here and check this out and see how much progress they got here on the site, and they're doing pretty good. They got all the trees down. We're gonna go up the coastline of the lake. And we'll go up to where the roller coasters used to be at. We will fly right over. Just as I'm approaching, I will point over towards it. That's where the old Big Dipper used to be, like right in there. Right in there. As always, be sure to like and follow the Drone Ohio Facebook page. Check out droneohio.com and Drone Ohio on YouTube. And be sure to share this out so others can see what's going on here. This is the Geauga Lake side. We'll go take a peek over at the other side here in a second. This is where that old riverboat thing used to be. A friend of mine, Molly, she likes the old riverboat. This is where they used to spit out into the lake right there. And right where this crossover bridge is, that's where they used to load up the ferry boats or the paddle wheel boats. And then they would come along this canal, which is where the roller coasters used to be. And again, you can see all the land that they've cleared now so that they can get in here and do their stuff. Like I said, it is going to be a mixed-use development. It's going to be restaurants, single-family homes, condos, townhouses, all that good stuff. And it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. So let's get behind this project and this local company. The company is based in Solon, which is, I think that's a cool thing. Local guy. And like I said, I was just speaking with a nice gentleman out here and his wife who does my puzzles. She's a puzzle fan. Oh, I shot some pictures specifically just now for the puzzles. So we're going to have some nice puzzles coming up. And of course, what they call this, Grizzly Run. I'll buzz down and we'll get a nice little picture of the grizzly. The grizzly bear. I already took pictures of this. I got some close-ups of that. Well, there's the old grizzly. And again, Geauga Lake. Well, let me get up above the trees. We'll do a quick pan. See all the land that they've cleared already. They really haven't made it down to the shore. And how they're going to get, I asked that gentleman, I said, how are you going to get those pilings out of there? And I don't think he had an answer. It's got to be difficult. That's got to be difficult. Okay, let's go take a peek over the other side. I did drive down past there, and they do have some homes up already. Cookie cutters, of course. I tell you that this development over here, I'm sure it's not going to be cookie cutter. Like I said, I saw an initial rendering of what they're going to do over here, and I'm sure they're going to make this place look really, really nice. So we're approaching over here to the SeaWorld side. You can see some of the old buildings still there. And this portion, I believe, also was bought up by the same company. So they're going to be doing the development over here as well. They just haven't got over here yet. And I believe that far development over there, that one in the old parking lot, I believe that is a totally different project, a totally different company. You got the Liberty Ford over there, so on and so forth. So there you go, folks. That's the SeaWorld side. Might as well snap a picture while I'm here, huh? Yeah, let me darken that up just a hair. There we go. Yeah, like I said, I haven't flown in quite a while. But there we go, folks. They are developing it, and we will have some positive things come out of this in the very near future. Let me stress again, this is private property. This is an active construction site, so please do not trespass on this property. It is not yours. It's not mine either. That's why I'm up here at 210 feet above the ground. That might make a good little picture there too. Oh, that's where the wolf bobs are, right below me. Spin around. The wolf bobs used to sit like right in here. The raging wolf bobs. So I think hey, Kim. I think that's gonna do it for me. This is 8 minutes. And we are getting a little low on batteries, so I am gonna come bring her in. So with that being said, share this out with your family and friends, anybody who might enjoy it. Always be sure to like and follow the Drone Ohio Facebook page. Check out droneohio.com and Drone Ohio on YouTube. Let's take it up to the top. It is cold out here. Cold, cold, cold. There you go, folks. Ooh, I kind of like this picture too. Actually, let me turn it just a little bit.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Yeah. I know. There we go. Okay, that being said, folks, I am out of here this time. Yeah. There's the old wetlands over there. Alrighty, folks, as I get you all dizzy, I am out of here. And as always, you guys know the spiel, as always, Drone Ohio is having fun. Have a good day, everybody.